Hey all, Andy from Byrider Green Bay here, coming at you with some tips to maximize your fuel efficiency. With gas prices where they're at, it's important to get the most out of the fuel that you're using. Always make sure that you take your vehicle in to perform regular maintenance, as this can help with maintaining fuel efficiency. Clear out any extra equipment and clutter that you may have. Anything you keep in your vehicle will only add to the weight of the vehicle. And although some items may seem insignificant, it all adds up. Also, luggage racks and bike racks will decrease fuel efficiency at highway speeds by as much as 17%. So take them off if you don't use them on a regular basis. Avoid idling. A lot of late model vehicles do have a start-stop system to keep the engine from running when it's not necessary. So if you're just running into a store, even for a quick stop, just shut off your vehicle. Maintaining a steady speed will help with fuel efficiency. Use cruise control to help maintain that steady speed. Check your tire pressure and make sure the PSI is where it should be. This info can be found on the inside of the driver's door. So if you are in need of a fuel-efficient vehicle, come on down to 2805 Ramada Way, where Byrider can get you into a newer, fuel-efficient vehicle today.